Hey! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll down and choose passwords, fingerprint and face unlock. Then choose screen lock over here and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Following that, you need to enter your login method, choose continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Now click on home button and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!